Hello, in the release of this month, we are introducing WhatsApp MIS report. Now, what are WhatsApp MIS report? Using this feature, you can send any MIS report to your associates on WhatsApp, as well as you can send the same report as an email. Before using this feature, there are a few things to note about. You must buy WhatsApp tokens from your vendor. The contact details of your customer, supplier, or employee must be updated. The customer, supplier, or employee will also need to go through the opt-in process to receive the messages. If you want to send emails, you must configure send mail settings for your profile. You can find the video on how to configure email settings in the description box below. Once these requirements are met, we can start sending reports. Let's take a look. Log in to your dashboard. From the navigation panel, choose the MIS report you want to send. Click on Send button. Search and select the contact by number or name. You can also choose multiple contacts at a time. Click on Send Mail checkbox if you want to send an email. Finally, click on Send button and your report will be sent to the selected contacts. So go ahead and make use of this feature and let us know your experience. For more help, you can generate a ticket from your help desk.